These are nice brooms though.
That looked pretty nice.
Yeah.
All filled in like that.
What, did you doubt it?
Yep. Wasn't my favorite. Still not my favorite, but it at least looks better.
All these bags have holes in them. What the heck?
I know, yeah. What's going on with those? I think their old bags are a little better.
Yep.
They held up better. A little extra.
It does look a lot better sweet thin.
Yeah.
Which was awesome, but I was really like, before, but now I'm like,
Yeah.
I went from to different kinds of
Yeah.
Like I said, for the price, we need some detail smooth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clean. Yep. Oh, you dumped so much sand, Nick.
And the lines look better too. Oh, and I touched my broom to it.
God damn it.
Yum. It was pretty clean there. I mean,
Blow the, so you can blow the water off maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Gosh,
oh, it's just spraying in the joint and making it worse.
Everything else clean around there, and then let's just get water on it right away.
Yeah.
Nick, we gotta get this out of here now somehow. The wind took it.
Yeah, I mean, we had it pretty clean at least.
Yeah.
They sweep better than I thought they would. I mean, even with the rough top to them.